decided to face our kind owner who gave them a lease on his vineyards of pine so that they could make wine. But no share would he get, not a piece. But no share would he get, not a piece. He sent word to them all and said, "Hey, could you send me some fruit right away?" But the slave that he sent was not pleased that he went. They attacked him and sent him away. They attacked him and sent him away.
Smile.
Very soon it transpired twice more, and this time it could not be ignored. For a second, a third were shamed slowly hurt, and were beaten until they were raw, and were beaten until they were raw. So the owner said, "What shall I do? All my slaves have returned black and blue. So I'll send my own son to get the job done." They'll respect him and give him what's due. They'll respect him and give him what's due. Dearie me, no such thing, it was tragic. All those tenants declared this is magic. Oh, let's all give his every inherited his share. So they did, they were on automatic. So they did, they were on automatic. When the owner found out this sad story, what he did to those tenants was gory. And the vineyard is said